Nest security devices are some of the most popular ones out there. You got the Nest doorbells, Nest Cam wired, Nest Cam battery. They give you a great look at what's going on, both inside and out. The catch is that Nest hasn't had a full home security system option to supplement its home security cameras for years, really. And that sort of put them at a disadvantage compared to brands like Ring or Vivint, for example, who do have those complete home security system options. Think home security alarms, the security sensors, environmental sensors, and 24/7 professional monitoring that powers all of that. Well, that's all changed because Nest now integrates with the new ADT home security system and the ADT Plus app, finally giving Nest users a comprehensive home security system option for their cameras. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Nest and ADT have partnered, and it's really bringing the best of both worlds for Nest users. Because let's face it, Nest cameras have some of the best intelligent alerts out there for home security cameras and video doorbells. Things like person and package detection, even familiar face detection. But when paired with ADT Home Security, you're getting that best-in-class complete home monitoring, the ADT professionals standing by 24/7 to respond to any alarms, and they can even utilize the power of your Nest devices to verify alarms and dispatch first responders. Now, what's convenient and great is that everything works in one app, the ADT Plus app, where you can control your ADT system, your ADT devices, but also where you can interface with your Nest devices, checking out live streams, viewing recordings, and receiving alerts. Just note that all of the functionality for Nest devices isn't yet available in the ADT Plus app. Some of those advanced functions, you're still gonna have to use the Google Home app. When it comes to cost, I'm assuming that most Nest users are already paying around $8 a month for a Nest Aware subscription. The good news is that when you subscribe to ADT's complete monitoring plan, which is $39.99 a month, it includes a subscription to Nest Aware, which is actually managed by ADT. So you can cancel your subscription through Nest and just get everything through ADT, which is convenient. It's nice. Another nice thing is that ADT frequently runs sales on their equipment. So you can get a complete home security system with the alarm base, a keypad, all the sensors, a video doorbell, even a smart lock for well under $500 much of the time. And no, you don't need to purchase your Nest devices directly through ADT in order for them to work with the new ADT system, which is nice. If you already have existing compatible Nest devices, you'll be able to add them to your ADT system, no problem. So if you're a Nest user looking to expand to a complete home security system, I definitely recommend checking out ADT. And to learn more about ADT, you can read our full review over at Security.org. I'll link that in the description below. And we also made a full video on the new ADT home security system you can find right here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.